was coming from south, he wrote a letter to Gurudev saying that because Gurudev has translated and written the commentaries of the Upanishads and Brahma Sutras in English, he thought he's breaking the tradition. So almost scolding him kind, he wrote a letter to Gurudev. ये तो भ्रष्टाचार हो जा रहा वैसा. And then he was coming to Rishikesh, so he wanted to come and visit Swamiji and maybe tell him you should not do this or that. We don't know what his purpose was. So once the Sanskrit letter was written, Chidanand Swamiji and all did not know how to give a reply because they did not know Sanskrit. So the Chidanand Swamiji was explaining this to us one day in one satsang. So the Darshan Mahavidyalaya, that Sanskrit university is there. So from there the principal was called and he was asked to give a reply to that. So in one of the letters that Swamiji said that he is coming to Rishikesh and he would like to meet Gurudev. So they made all arrangements and the Swamiji, Vimlanand Swamiji and Chidanand Swamiji were all, really in a fluster how to receive that Swamiji. He is a very orthodox Swami, etc. So, but Swamiji, Gurudev made all arrangements for him and all. So that Swamiji was to meet Gurudev after his bath in the Ganges. And he was to come to Gurudev. So Gurudev came out of his kutir to receive this Swamiji. And they met each other on the road, the downstairs road. And nothing was said. So everybody was waiting for some kind of fireworks or something of that kind. Nothing. Gurudev did pranam to him and maybe he also did pranam to him. Then they went away. So Vimlanand Swamiji asked Chidanand Swamiji, I believe, what happened, Swamiji? That Swamiji was so angry and all. He thought there is going to be some kind of electrifying atmosphere. So Chidanand Swamiji seemed to have said, see, when the sun comes out, all the clouds disperse.
Yes.
So that is what he said.
Wonderful.
About Gurudev.
Any experience during your madam when you were serving as a doctor to patients? You were serving, you were holding camps, 2 weeks camps here.
That was the only camp I held it.
So any special thing in that camp?
Nothing.
And later on you used to come